Welcome to our step-by-step guide on enabling or disabling Remote Desktop in Windows 10. Remote Desktop is a powerful feature that allows you to access your computer from anywhere, providing convenience and flexibility. Whether you're looking to set it up for remote access or enhance your security by disabling it, this tutorial will walk you through the process. Open Settings. Click on the Start menu, then go to Settings. Go to System Settings. Remote Desktop. On the left sidebar, click on Remote Desktop. Enable Remote Desktop. Toggle the switch to on under Enable Remote Desktop. Remember, enabling Remote Desktop allows others to connect to your PC remotely, so it's important to be cautious and set secure passwords to prevent unauthorized access.